Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters FaceTrack, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, ActiveTrack is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a Motionlapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With NightShot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.